Hello everyone, this is Yan from Vivid Curiosity Productions. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the templates that you bought from our website or our Etsy shop at Vivid Curiosity Creations to use on your Photobooth software. For this video, I'm only going to show you how to use it on LumaBooth, which I feel is just the same as any other Photobooth software that you use. So when you open up the PDF that you purchased from our Etsy shop or our website, you'll be greeted with this. In the previous video, I talked about how you can edit your own template and change the names or the dates or anything that you want on the template that you purchased from our Etsy or website. So if you're looking for instructions on that, please watch the other video, or I may also just link it on the description down below. This video will only talk about how you can install it on your Photobooth software. I'm now downloading it to my iPad, and once it's good, I'm just going to click on Save Image, and it should be on my photos. Now, let's go to LumaBooth, and let's start editing your template. When you create a new event, let's just call this the New Elegant Event and Launch Event. Now you're going to go to the settings of your event and click on Print Layout. This is where you'll be able to install the layout that you just created. Now, for you to be able to import the image over here, you're going to have to click on Image and choose Photo Library or wherever it's saved on your iPad or tablet. In my case, it's in Photo Library. When I click on that, I'll be able to find the template that I just downloaded or that I just created from Canva. Now that you have it over here, the only thing that's left for you to do is just to fix the pictures that you have over here. Some of them are hidden below. I just saw it before we started, so I'm just going to put them here so I'll be able to edit them just fine. Sometimes I do get the issue of I don't know whether or not I have it straight. So if I encounter this, all I do is I just delete it and just put in another photo, re-upload the photo, so I'm sure that it's always in line. The template that you purchased from Vivid Curiosity is already fit to a 4x6, so there's no need for extra adjustment as it's already perfectly sized to what you need for your photo booth business. Now again, I'm just here placing the photos as they would be, or how I want them to be. So my photo number 1 will be the biggest one. My photo number 2 will be here, and photo 3 and 4 will be here. If you encounter spaces like this where you think you have a white line, you have choices to make it a little bit bigger. And to do this, you can either do it with your fingers, or what I like to do for more accuracy is just edit the width over here. It's currently at 560 pixels. I'm just going to make it 565 and try that. I think this is perfect. It's already using the both of the end, the end to end. And I'm just going to repeat that process again for all of my other pictures. There are some cameras that use a full frame, and there are some cameras that use a thinner frame. So this is something that you must get used to editing when you're doing it in any other photo booth software as well, is to edit the pictures. And don't worry, your photo booth software, or at least in LumaBooth, what I use is the size of the picture they take is exactly what you set on your photo booth software. In my case, again, LumaBooth. Once you're done with that, you just click on X and you just continue your other sets of settings for your LumaBooth software. Now, for another tutorial for another day, I will teach you how to set up your LumaBooth software from start to finish. For this case, this is just how to use the template. So I hope you do subscribe, because we are going to create a lot of different tutorials about photo booths and the photo booth industry in general. And I'm just so excited to share with you all of the knowledge that I know now. Now let's just test it out before we finish. Okay. Yep. Just gonna quickly put all of that to the last, because I just genuinely want to try it. And now you would like to try it. First picture, second one. Third one. And last. And it's gonna load up, and there you have it. The last thing that you're going to be doing is either printing it or airdropping it, depending on what your event is doing. I hope you learned something today, and I'll see you again in the next video. Happy photo boothing!